This is my motherboard. ASUS UEFI BIOS Utility. BIOS version. With the current version it does not support Windows 11 installation. I use software from Microsoft to check the compatibility of the computer with Windows 11 operating system. There is no TPM 2.0 on my motherboard, so it cannot install Windows 11. My computer is running Windows 10. System information. ASUS motherboard. I search for more detailed information about my motherboard. From there, search for support on the motherboard home page. Open any browser and search for ASUS support page. Enter the motherboard model name. X 365 meters. Support. Driver and tools. BIOS and firmware. This is the latest BIOS version. It supports Windows 11 installation. Not all motherboards support Windows 11 installation after the update, so you need to find out carefully. This is the folder after extracting. It has two files. One file to rename the remaining file. Double-click on the executable file. The purpose is to rename the remaining file. I am very curious why there is this step. Why ASUS does not rename it for us? What is the purpose of this extra step? Copy the newly renamed file and paste it into your flash drive. Boot the computer into BIOS. UEFI BIOS. ASUS EZ Flash Utility. There are two methods to upgrade a BIOS. I update the BIOS using a flash drive. Make sure the flash drive is plugged into the computer. Select the flash drive. Select the file just downloaded from the ASUS homepage. You follow the steps below. I agree to upgrade a BIOS. It takes a few minutes to complete the upgrade. There will be times when the computer screen goes black. You do not need to worry, just wait patiently. After completion, I check the compatibility with Windows 11. My computer has met the hardware requirements to install Windows 11. The above are the steps to update the BIOS on the motherboard ASUS owner. Thanks for watching. Good luck. I installed Windows 11 on this computer. Booted the computer from the flash drive. Everything went smoothly. The computer was installed with Windows 11.